Good day everyone, welcome back to my tutorials. Number 1, voltage of the battery. Number 2, number of turns in the solenoids. Number 3, rate of change of current. First, we need to solve the voltage of the battery. The given is AO equals 8.85 x 10 raised to the power of negative 12 F. Area equals 2 cm squared. Then we need to convert 2 times 10 raised to negative 4 meters squared. Distance equals 2 millimeters. Then we need to convert 2 times 10 to raised to the power of negative 3 meters. We have a formula there. Q equals CV. V equals QC. C equals AO area over D. First, we need to solve C. C equals 8.85 x 10 raised to negative 12 times 2x 10 raised to negative 4 over 2x 10 raised to negative 3 equals 8.85 x raised 10 raised to negative 13 F. Next, V. V equals QC. Then we need to substitute Q. 4x 10 negative raised to negative 12 over 8.85 x 10 raised to negative 13 equals 4.52 volts. Next is number of turns in the solenoid. We have a given here N 0.285 Henry. Then we need to convert 0.285 x 10 raised to negative 3 Henry. Then MO equals 4 mu x 10 raised to negative 7 Henry per meter. Then area equals 6x 10 raised to negative 3 meters squared. And length equals 36 centimeters. Then we need to convert to meters equals 0.36. We have a formula here. L equal N squared area over length. Then we need to transpose to get the N. N equals square root of Li over MO area. And then we need to substitute the number. N equals square root of 0.285 x 10 raised to negative 3 Henry times 0.36 meters over 4 mu 10 x 10 raised to negative 7 Henry per meter times 6 x 10 raised to negative 4 meters squared. The answer is 369 turns. Then last, rate of change of current. We have a formula EMF equals negative L di over dt. Then we need to transpose to get the di over dt equals EMF over L. Then we need to substitute the number negative 12.5 times 10 raised to negative 3 over 0.205 times raised to negative 3 equals 43.86 area per second. Then that's all. Thank you.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय.